And you have the metal piece, globes, and you need bulbs, E12 bulbs. And you have the bottom parts, and also you need this tool. That's the only thing you need for that one. Now we'll show you how to install it. Now we will show you how to install it. To here, you have two wires coming from your ceilings. You need to have a hook. Al istersen. Take our chandelier. First, hook it up. And then which one to which one. So it doesn't matter which color to which one. So tighten it. Yukarı kaldır. Aç. Kapat.
Yok bu son abi.
Tamam, bir şey olmaz. Çekiyorum. Çık zaten. We need E12 bulbs for America, USA and Canada. We need E14 for rest of the world. 4 or 5 watt will be recommended. This is if you have a box like this and you don't have a hook, you might need a hook like this. We can send you one like this, or you can buy from Home Depot or something, or Amazon. Now we'll show you how to put it together. Tak abi.